sex in mid-flight without even stopping. So let's just wait for our two cans to fly to the second ball. There they go. Now to demonstrate how agile they are, Mitra will be throwing two pieces of fruit way up high. Let's see if the two cans can catch them. Okay, once again, I need everyone to sit down. Sit down, please, and turn off your flashes. Thank you very much. Mitra, are you ready? Okay, let's just wait for the two cans to turn around. Looks like it's a little bit distracted. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Whoa! Maybe easy going. That was a good catch. Oh. Okay, he got the break, but I think he landed right there. Yeah, he got it, right? Okay, not to worry. Sheena will be taking the 2K. I think he's enjoying himself right up there. Okay, come down. You want to come down here? Come on. Okay. Okay, we're going to try out a break first. Okay, so for those of you missing, we're going to do this one more time. Okay, everyone count together with me, okay? Alright, everyone ready? Come on, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. That was an excellent catch by our total 2 cans. Now let me try to pull the 2 can, the other 2 can back down to my hand. Okay, so it's very lucky for us to see these birds up close, but their numbers in the wild, they are declining due to poaching and deforestation. So we can all help these beautiful birds by supporting the local conservation efforts. You want to come over here? Oh, okay, maybe he wants to fly right there. You're not supposed to go back that way. Okay, now by the way, these two birds, they are Mr. and Mrs. Axel. They are a husband and wife team. Let me try to get Mrs. Axel. Mrs. Axel, come. Join your husband right here. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Now these two birds, they have done a wonderful job this morning, okay? And it's time for them to head back home. Now they are very loyal to one another, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to place them on the stump right there. Okay? Alright guys, ready? There you go. Alright, Mrs. Axel, can you please lead the way? All the way back home, Mr. Axel, you follow. Quickly, your wife is going to lock you up. There you go. Tell us who kids, everyone. What differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. Now, the yellow-named Amazon parrot is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, okay? All right, so let's start with something simple. How about a nice hello? There you go. Very nice to say hello. Now tell everyone here your name. One more time, what's the name? Amigo is his name. Okay, Amigo, how would you like to greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you? Very polite bird indeed. Now today is the 7th day of the Chinese Lunar New Year. Okay, so Amigo, how would you like to greet everyone this New Year? How are you? You asked them how they are already. Okay, can you greet everyone this New Year? There you go. Good job. Now he's also a very smart bird. He can count from 1 to 10 first in English. You still eating? Okay, let's just wait for him to finish his teeth first. Okay, then? Okay, can you count in English? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go, number 10. What a noisy entrance by him. Okay, thank you, Saad. Now, by the way, everyone, this one. Shh, keep quiet. I'm going to introduce him first, okay? So this one right here is Big John, our Songbird Crested Cockatoo. He is a veteran here at the bird show, and John is over 50 years old. Yes. So you want to say hello? Okay, say hello. Now say hello. Say hello. One more time. One last time. Say hello. Hello. No? It's not going to make any sound. Okay, so can you stay right here? You be quiet, and we're going to continue with Amigo. Okay, Big John? Okay, so you heard Amigo count in English earlier on. This time, he's going to count in Chinese. 1, 2, chicken. No? Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, Big John here is over 50 years old, and through the years, he has only managed to pick up 5 mimics. That's the hello, the love, the talk, the chicken, and bye-bye. Now, one thing about parents like Big John is they love to scream their heads off. You heard him earlier on, right? He doesn't even need a microphone. They can be very loud, they can disturb your sleep, and even your neighbors, okay? Alright, Big John, you be quiet, you stay right here. We're gonna move on with Amigo, okay? Alright, so Amigo here loves singing as well, and he can sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song is a local children's song called Caroline, which means I guess not speaking. John? Big John, you gotta keep quiet. Big John. Yes, you gotta keep quiet, okay? Thank you. Okay, so let's... John, you can't keep screaming like that. No, Amigo can't concentrate, okay? One more time to scream, I'm gonna send him back home. Okay, can you please keep quiet? Thank you. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, he can sing a song in Mandarin. Okay, are you ready, Amigo? Can you sing in Mandarin? Okay, Amigo is getting distracted as well. Okay, I think it's time for Big John to head back home first. Okay, everyone, please say bye-bye, Big John. Thank you very much, Dad. He's really very loud. Okay, so Amigo, you did not sing the song properly. Can we try this one more time? Okay, can you sing in Mandarin? Can you sing Rasa Sayang? Who is either very quiet or extremely loud. Now it's time for Amigo here to head back home, but before that, what must you say? Bye-bye! 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 There you go, well done, Amigo, our yellow-named Amazon parrot. Now let me emphasize once again that these birds, they are very, very hard to upkeep, and they are also known to live as long as you and I. So please do think twice, if not even twice, before getting yourself a pet parrot, okay? Now the next 2 birds coming out, I'm going to show all of you just how loving hornbills can be. So everyone keep your eyes back there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great pied hornbill. Good morning, Vicky. Now great pied hornbills like Vicky, they are one of the largest found in this region. So when a female wants to nest, they look for holes or cavities in trees, and then right up there is our nest box which is similar to what we do the hornbill is right here in the bird part. Okay, so I will be coming very close to you. Please do not reach out and try to touch the bird, okay? Now, for those of you taking pictures, please turn off your flashes. Thank you very much. We do not want to start pictures, okay? Alright, so Vicky is going to check out the next one. Okay, Vicky, are you ready? This was Australian. Vicky, your next box is to your right.